build this part?
Hello. I got find the house story. The one. And the dragon ball hit me. So then I fell. And the animals threw me in the hole. I learned this one. So they transformed into their super clothes. They're super animals. So then, when they were superheroes, they pulled me out. The end.
Very good.
Okay.
Sorry, could bring this home, but you have to give it to your dad and throw this and take this other wheel off because it can't move very well on the floor.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise. So you might have to tell him that.
Okay.
Next time there was more. He said, "What are you doing on my motorcycle? You're a helicopter."
Watch the show.
Okay.
Henry's doing a show.
Get off of my motorcycle. Go. Hey, I am pushing off and pulling off. But no matter, he can't do it.
Henry's got a show.
And
Henry's doing
finally,
a show for us.
found an idea. Grabbed Frank with the claw and he pulled him off. So they got on his motorcycle and zoomed away down the hill.
What happened to the guy?
Well, then he was riding his motorcycle and on the road.
No, what happened to the other guy?
Oh well, he fell into a hole and died because it was that stone. That stone.
Because he was what?
That stone.
Oh, Gaston?
Yeah.
From Beauty and the Beast?
Yeah.
Oh.
He got out.
But
The hole.
the superhero animals didn't come and rescue him out of the hole?
No, because they knew he was a bad guy, so they wouldn't rescue him.
Not like the lady that they rescued.
Yeah.
Right.
Because he was a good one.
That was very good, Henry.
That was wonderful. Can we cheer for Henry?